Good morning and welcome to Brinda Bulletin, your daily dose of news for exam success. And today is Tuesday, July 1st, 2025. Let's get started with today's top current affairs, perfect for your competitive exam preparation. National news. A tragic industrial disaster in Telangana. 17 workers lost their lives and 30 were injured in a massive explosion at Sigachi Industries near Hyderabad. The cause is under investigation. In Delhi, the CM Rekha Gupta has promised to hold talks with parents on private school fee hikes. The issue sparked outrage after school raised fee mid-session. Another major revelation: over 60,000 ineligible women found on Delhi's pension list. These included remarried and employed claimants. Delhi University's 4-year undergraduate program is under criticism. Many students are dropping out, citing infrastructure gaps and unclear academic plans. In Bihar, the Election Commission has eased documentation for voter roll revision. Those born after 1987 can now verify parent names from the 2003 rules. And after 9 years of uncertainty, Delhi court accepted the CBI's closure report in the Najeeb Ahmed missing case. However, the agency can reopen the probe if fresh leads emerge. The ACB in Delhi arrested an irrigation department engineer and the contractor for a Rs 4.6 crore fraud involving fake flood control projects. In Jharkhand, police used tear gas to disperse tribal villagers protesting the removal of their stage on Maldives. International news. Donald Trump has stated that the US is not offering anything to Iran amidst ongoing tensions and failed nuclear deal negotiations. Economy and finance. India's industrial output dipped to a 9-month low of just 1.2% in May. The electricity sector contracted sharply by 5.8%. In Haryana, a political storm is brewing over power tariffs. Ex-Minister Sampath Singh challenged the hike, claiming unfair burdens on consumers. Science and technology. In Andhra Pradesh, CM Chandrababu Naidu has announced India's first quantum computing center to be launched by January 1st, 2026. Big players like IBM, TCS and L&T are on board. Environment and ecology. A historic cleanup. 337 tons of toxic union carbide waste has been incinerated in MP. The residue will be buried in eco-safe landfills. Monsoon hits Delhi, but city drains are still choked. Only 80 to 85% desilting done. IMD predicts daily showers till July 6th. Awards and honors. President Draupadi Murmu presided over the 11th convocation of the Indian Veterinary Research Institute and awarded degrees to 576 students. Sports. A proud moment for Indian badminton. Ayush clinched his first BWF World Tour title, a big leap for the rising star. Appointments and resignations. Internal crash widen in Telangana. BJP MLA T. Rajan Singh resigned in protest against the High Command's pick for state president. Today marks Maldives commemorating the Santhal rebellion led by Sidhu and Kanvu Murmu against British colonial rule. That's all for today's Brinda Bulletin, your daily dose of news for exam success. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exam ready updates